our principals of schools, I know that there are parents that are also in our midst. We also have our well-wishers, communications team, thank you very much for the coverage. I would like to greet in a special way and honor our very important people today, our 2023 NSC candidates. May we all give them a hearty round of applause. I want to start by giving you a big round of applause, my babies, because I'm very proud to stand here. I see all of you that you are ready. Just if we can give you a paper right now, you can do it. If we can give you a paper the way you are ready. We are here just to create a hype. I think Ubabu Komo indicated that we're just here to create a hype to say, all of us, we need to rally behind you. But the speakers that spoke here, I wanted to move from there, to sit there so that I can give them that seat. Because they deserve it. They spoke well on your behalf. Let us give them another big round. I'm not giving a speech today, I'm just giving remarks. Our program director is saying it in a very subtle way, that is just reminding me that I only have a few minutes. But I'm going to surprise her today. I'm going to even take lesser minutes than she's anticipating. Principals of schools, we are here just to thank you for the great work that you are doing in your schools. We are here to say you are our engines. You are the heart of our district. Without you, we will not be able to drive our program for matric the way you are driving it. We will not be able to achieve the results that were presented yesterday. Yesterday, most of the principals that are here were with us when we met with Uku, having an accountability session, being supported by the top management, but in the process, we were engaged in an accountability session to say, what is it that we are doing as Umlazi district? Are you ensuring that our learners are propelled to the right direction? We are having in our midst our future leaders. A lot has been said this morning. We are having in our midst our future leaders that have already confirmed that next year at ICC, we shall be celebrating them. And they are the ones that will be speaking on behalf of Umlazi district. And there is nothing that makes a person so over the moon and so elated than seeing the confirmation from the learners that we got this. And we are going to make you proud. We are here to strengthen the triangle that says parents of our learners, teachers of all the subjects, learners, let us come together and make sure that the matriculant of 2023 is provided with adequate support, is given all what she needs or he needs to make it. Baba Ushu, thank you for making this session a lively one that says we are taking an oath. I know we are still going to have a national one where all our learners are going to take a pledge, where all of you are going to sign a pledge to say, we as candidates of NSC 2023, we abide by all the rules and we confirm and commit that we will do our best and we will not commit in any irregular activities. But for taking this opportunity and seizing this moment of 40 days, or we said it's 40 opportunities, seizing the 40 opportunities to say to our learners, let us all commit. We are not committing the learners that are here alone. We are committing the entire district. We are saying as Umlazi district, we have a vision which sees us overtaking and leading the pack in 2023. When Ugu was there yesterday, in my opening remarks, I said, thank you, Ugu, for bringing the baton home. And when I see this beauty today, it is just confirming that we got this. In the words of Richard Branson, he says, the future needs passionate, happy, and confident future leaders, willing to change the status quo. Currently, we have so many challenges, but I will leave that to our guest speaker. We have so many challenges, all the social ills that Ubaba Ushuku has mentioned. But the hope for the best country ever, as adults, we are pinning our hopes on you, our future leaders. And I'm happy, that Babu Komo, you chose well, that from our own schools, it is doable. We may be able, from the very same 2023 class, produce more Nhlakanipos that are going to replicate and represent our country abroad, in many other countries. And thank you very much to our principals and our teachers. Yesterday, when we were reporting about our progress, we only recorded one decline, and it was on technical mathematics. And I know for sure that it was only for term 2. Term 3, term 4, we are going to make sure that our learners do their best. I want to congratulate the class of 2023. Congratulations, my young people. Congratulations on your success and getting distinctions in 2023. I already envision you seated there at ICC on your bright uniforms, with your principals of schools and your parents and relatives, all of us ululating, excited because you have done us proud.